how you can delete your Facebook account if you don't remember your email or password. Before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's just start. First, this is our Facebook right here. Now, as you can see, if you don't remember your email or your password, what you can do first is just tap on this forgot password button right here. Now, after you click on it, you'll get the option right here. Now, what you can do is you kind of need to remember your email. So what you need to do is first just if you don't remember your email, just type in your mobile number here. After you type in your mobile number here, you can just get back your email, and then you can use your email here to find your account. Now the problem here is you need to delete your Facebook account, right? But if you don't have your email or your password, you cannot do that. So first, what you need to do is first retrieve your email, and after you do that, you can just log back into your account, and then go forward with the deletion. Now the other method is if you have forgotten your email or password and you just don't use it and it's not logged into any other account, after after a year of inactivity from your account, Facebook will automatically delete your account. That is its protocol, and so all you need to do is just not use the account for a year, and just don't log in, don't use it, just log it out from anywhere else, and then just don't use it and wait for a year, and it will get deleted automatically. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you do it. Watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.